Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. Across the country this summer, we've seen a heightened interest in political protests and activism, including via social media. When the conduct becomes controversial or even offensive, it can create issues in the workplace. Epstein Becker Green's Adam Forman tells us what employers should consider when responding to off-duty and other conduct.
Historically, the focus of employers trying to respond to these issues has been whether there is any legal prohibition, whether constitutional, statute, regulation, or common law, for disciplining an employee for their social media posts. With certain noted exceptions, at-will employees generally do not have much protection from discipline or discharge for their social media posts or political protest activities. More recently, the focus has turned to business and public relations considerations. With the proliferation of social media, if an employer disciplines or discharges an employee for a social media post or political protest, it is not uncommon for the employee to air their grievances online, and it is possible that the grievance becomes viral, leading to business and public relations considerations, independent of the risk of legal liability. On August 13th, the NLRB's Division of Advice issued a decision confirming that the General Counsel's 2008 Guideline Memorandum remains good law. In that case, the employer, a labor union that specialized in representing police officers, fired one of its employees who was also a delegate to his state's legislature because he testified in favor of police reform. The employee brought an unfair labor practice charge against the employer, claiming that it fired him because of his protected activity under the Act. Finding that the employee's advocacy was not protected, the Division of Advice concluded that the employee's political advocacy had no nexus to a specifically identified employment concern and recommended that the region dismiss the unfair labor practice charge. Employers should do three things. First, take the situation seriously. Second, conduct a thorough investigation. And finally, if the investigation confirms that the employee violated policy or procedure, respond uniformly and consistently.
Thanks, Adam, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.